Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can reach out the local brands in your area, in your city, and offer them that you can maintain their Instagram presence. You can also reach out the websites related to your niche on Google and ask them the same service, so you will get a lot of clients. So guys, let's get started. In today's video I will teach you how you can create a Instagram post on entertainment. You can also create your own entertainment theme page on Instagram and monetize it later. So let's get towards canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best online graphic designing software, and it is the best uh, of best, and you don't need to be an expert designer or experienced designer. It will do everything for you. uh, so you just have to start. So I click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post square portrait. I will choose square for this time, and let's see. So it is loading, just wait for some seconds. Loaded. It's basically depend on the internet speed. So here I search entertainment, and let's see, it shows me different templates, so you can choose any of them. I like this one. And if you have to change the style, you can click on this. I have to customize this first. Board best singing concert. This is just a dummy text. Book your seat. Timing, date. I put here dummy website like www.singing.com. And the most important thing, I would like to change the images. So I go to background, sorry, photos. I write here singer, square. That's good. After that, music for background image, and let's see. So our post is ready. So guys, you can see we can create a post in easily in 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, in case if you don't know about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section where I upload a playlist called Canva designing course. After watching the playlist, you can almost know everything about Canva. So that's great. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.